Okay, he's my first opponent. Let's play. Let's just start from now. I'm gonna handle white and my opponent is black. Oh, AI beginning. Oh, you can understand, but I see. Just enjoying, then that's okay. Immediately he used the attachment here. He wanna make me concentrated. Then let's just Tanuki first. Oh, beginning is good. Increase the volume. I think I'm using the maximum now. Okay, everybody, would you tell me now my voice? How is my voice? Is it okay or is it too low? Please tell me your opinion. I should know that. Really hard to hear? How about others? Do you guys can hear my voice well? Is this okay or not really good? Let me know, please. Seems perfect. Okay, thank you. How about others? Hello, Crazy Penguin. Hello. Voice sound great. Okay. Okay. Maybe I think volume is fine. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Maybe you can make higher volume. Yeah. Okay, this Joseki. Oh. This push, I didn't think anything. Okay, he answered. Then that's okay. Here is very important now. I have to really push. I was afraid that whether he's gonna push here. Then this is one of the Joseki. I need to cut there first. Okay, thank you so much for answering. Thank you so much for your opinion. Fine. I have to make this center first. Okay, everybody. If you are ready to enjoy it, then please press like first. It's supporting me a lot. Yeah. I know someone already pressed like. Hi, hello, gaming. This is 10 minutes game. So today I think I can try to play about 5 games. But of course it depends on how long I need to play. Oh, I forgot to close the door of my room. Okay. Do you play any other games besides Baduk? Sometimes I enjoy to play StarCraft. Do you know StarCraft? The game? Because that was mostly popular game when I was young. So still I enjoy to play sometimes. Maybe you may not know StarCraft. StarCraft 1, yeah, you know, 1 was much famous. I don't know how to play in StarCraft 2. Yeah, Brood War, you're right. Kind of a Korean national sport, but nowadays not. Nowadays, you know, nothing can be better than League of Legends. Even in Korea, League of Legends is the top, same as other country. That's why Faker is very, very famous. But I don't even know how to play League of Legends because I need to learn it again. But no time. Just sometimes I enjoy to play StarCraft. Oh, thank you, Clayton. Yeah, we moved to the bigger shop, bigger place. Yeah. Always I have many students. I have been holding for 5 years in my old place. But just across there is a good location and much bigger place. That's why we moved last week, so I was much busier. Yeah, and now is the before old place was too small, so we decided to move. Yeah. I only know how to play Protoss. Yeah, I only know how to play Protoss. Do I need to have a like StarCraft streaming? Maybe no one is going to watch that because my skill is so horrible, I guess. Songjin, you are talking about in Europe? Yeah, I have heard his name because when I had the KPMC competition, he was the one of the managers, so I had to contact him, but I haven't met him before. Yeah. Yeah, I can only hold the, I only know how to handle Protoss. Yeah. How old is my student? How old? Average? Oh, I think there are many. From 4 years old to 10 something years old, maybe about 15 years old. Yeah, 4 to 15 years old. Mostly 5 years old, 6. I'm not sure the average, but yeah, kindergarten, many kindergarten students, and also many elementary school students. Oh, you play Protoss. Yeah, Protoss is easy to handle, isn't it? Did he go to toilet? Where is he? Hello? But it's not disconnected because his time is keep moving now. Nowadays there are many, the game, much more game than Go, computer game and many things. So it's really natural. But Go is like, it's not like crazily popular, but always there are many fans. Even though not so crazy, but always there are, how to say, many people are enjoying to play. It will never disappear. That was a Go's history for about thousands years. StarCraft. My StarCraft is in another desktop computer. I didn't download it here. Baduk will never disappear. We have many kids, and I'm teaching many kids every day. Always, the many of the parents, they have a high attention for Baduk. So my business is the actually education business, not about just the I'm teaching technical skill. So of course, what I'm doing on YouTube and what I'm doing on my shop is totally different things. K16. K16, if we block here, I will sacrifice my 2 stones. After I make Sente, maybe I will just block, and then when he captures, and I'm gonna jump here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hello, where are you? He really... Okay, let me just press. Whether I disappear, I don't know, I'm disconnected. It's not. I'm now my account is no problem. Just maybe I'm not sure whether he went to toilet or his internet is in trouble or what? What do you mean? Don't make it sound force. Make it sound like mandatory and necessary. Are there comments from YouTube? We can't see it. Is there any problem, my stream? Is everything okay? Can you hear what and can you watch it well? Or opponent might be using AI from now. That can be possible. If that's happened, actually I cannot win if I don't use AI. Just I have to accept that's my fate. Now everything is okay, right? Is there any trouble? Let me know if you cannot hear well or if you cannot see the screen. If everything is fine, then that's okay. Okay, he start to have a Boyomi from now. Okay, thank you so much for answering. Okay, maybe I think he just goes away. He's not here anymore. Let's see whether he is starting to play from last Boyomi. Thank you for following me, radio. I don't think human can beat AI again. That's impossible. Just like same as the human never can be faster than airplane or car. Is impossible. Actually, AI is also same. You can think like when we play or world champions. Actually, their strategy is like we have all the basic strategy. We know how to handle, but sometimes AI can use it even better than just normal knowledge. They can judge with the situation. So I don't think we can beat AI anymore. It's really impossible. Yeah, just like we are challenging to have a running with the airplane. Can human beat air? Can human faster than airplane? It's impossible. It's same. By the way, he just timeout. Okay, it's lucky. First game, I just win by timeout. I don't know here where he went, but he finished quickly. I don't have to even have a review, right? Okay, immediately I'm gonna have a second game.